Firestick stuck on loading screen fix. It is incredibly frustrating when you are ready to watch your favorite show, but your Firestick is just stuck on that loading screen. I know exactly how it feels when your entertainment plans come to a sudden halt, but do not worry. We will fix this together. Please comment below if you face any difficulty with these steps. I will personally reply to your comments within 1 hour to help you out. Also, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes for more reliable tech solutions. Now let's get your Firestick working again with these proven step-by-step solutions. Step 1. Perform a physical power cycle. This is the most common fix. Unplug the power cord from your device or the wall outlet. Do not just turn off the television. Wait for exactly 60 seconds to allow the internal components to fully reset. Plug it back in and let it reboot. This often clears temporary software glitches. Step 2. Check your power source. Low power can cause the device to hang. Always use the original power adapter and cable that came with your Firestick. Avoid powering the device through the television's USB port, as it may not provide enough voltage. Step 3. Test a different HDMI port on your television. Dust or a faulty port can cause loading issues. Switch ports to rule out hardware failure. Step 4. Check your internet connection and your router settings. Move your router closer or use a 5 GHz band if your router supports it. Step 5. Use the remote to force a restart when the screen is unresponsive. Hold the select and play buttons together for 5 seconds until the device restarts. Step 6. Clear the cache of heavy apps if you can reach the menu. Go to Settings, then go to Applications, then go to Manage Installed Applications. Select the app and then select Clear Cache to free up system memory. Step 7. Ensure your software is up to date for the latest fixes. Go to Settings, then go to My Fire TV, then go to About, then select Check for Updates. Step 8. Perform a factory reset as a last resort for stubborn issues. Go to Settings, then go to My Fire TV, then select Reset to Factory Defaults. Warning, this will erase all your apps and data. Only do this if nothing else works. I am confident these steps will solve your problem and get your device back to life. You are now ready to get back to your streaming. Enjoy your shows. This is TechVibes signing off.